More love, more power, more of you in my life. Hey friends, this is More Love, More Power in the key of A minor. This is a really simple way to chord along to this beautiful song. Make sure to stop the video. If you do click below, you will find the link to the chord sheet and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. Okay, so there's just 4 chords for this song. It's really simple. I've kept it down to the basics. So let's go through and find those chords. Look for the group of 3 black notes, and I'm going to play F first to just show you. So you put thumb on F, line up those 5 fingers, and keep this hand here the whole song. Okay, so we have F, A, C. Okay, every other note. Okay, if you move up to the A position, so we go F, G, A, let's play our A minor there. So we have A, C, E. Okay, that's our A minor chord. Okay, then we move up to the D position, so we have F, G, A, B, C, D. Okay, there's our D minor, so play every other note there. We have D, F, A. And then move up one set of notes one last time, and you're in the E minor position. So play E, G, B. Okay? So for left hand, we're going to be keeping it really simple. We're going to just put thumb on C, line up these 5 fingers, and play F, single note when you play that F chord. Okay? A minor to A in the bass, D minor to D in the bass, and you're noticing maybe what I'm doing with my thumb. This is just preference for me. So you could find a 5-note position where you could keep your hand sort of put the whole song so that you don't lose where you're at. I like to have this reference point of having F in my left hand for some reason, and then open up for that D and open up for my E. That's just preference though. So if you'd rather find a different 5-note position and reach up for the F or whatever, find that works for you, okay? So when I play the D, I'm just going to open my thumb up and play the D. And then when I'm going to play that E, I kind of don't move my hand out of position. I just kind of relax my wrist, swing open, and play that E to E, okay? All right, so let's talk about this song. We just have verse 1, and then we have 2 choruses. The choruses are the same. So I'm going to sing through verse 1, the only verse in the song, so you can hear how it sounds, and then we're going to break it up down with the rhythm, okay? Here we go. More love, more power, more of you in my life, and more love, more power, more of you in my life. Okay, so I just want to talk about some repetition that I see already. If you look at this verse 1, lines 1 and 3 are the exact same, and lines 2 and 4 are the same. Okay, then we have 2 choruses, and it looks like they're just changing lyrics out. For the most part, it looks like they are the exact same too, which you're just going through this D minor, A minor, D minor, A minor. For the most part, that's how that whole chorus works. So really, this song is pretty simple. You just have the choruses to learn, which are almost the exact same there, and then verse 1. Okay, and like I said, verse 1 just has lines 1 and 3, and 2 and 4 are the same. Okay, so let's talk about the rhythm of how those 2 hands can come together. This song is written in 4/4 time signature, so it has this rhythm of together, right, and that's how we're going to bring those 2 hands together. It looks like this: together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. And you can just practice that nice steady marching rhythm, getting your 2 hands to work together. It can be easier said than done, right? When you're first beginning something. Okay. All right. So let's go through this verse 1 together. So we're going to start with that A minor. Middle finger is what I'm referencing for my left hand there. Okay. Here we go. More love. Move to the F. More power. Move open to the E and open thumb here. More of you in my A minor life. Play again, A minor here. More love, F. More power, open to the E minor. More of you in my A minor life, and I will worship. Okay, here's where we open up for the thumb with the D there. And look, the first 3 lines are the exact same 2 chords just repeating. D minor, A minor, D minor, A minor, okay? and I will worship you with all of my heart, and I will worship you with all of my might, and I will worship you with all of my strength, for you are my, okay, here's that F, Lord, E minor, transition, oh, you are my Lord, finishing out with that A minor, okay? Chorus 2, they just add in the little, well, you're continuing off of the A minor, so that's why that's there. I'll probably just take that out in the final chord sheet for you, so disregard that. So chorus 2 is going to be the exact same as what we just got done doing with chorus 1, okay? We're just changing out the lyrics, okay? All right, so I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can sing and play along with me. Have a lot of fun. When you find you mess up, play the wrong chord at the wrong time, just find your next chord or word line that you can keep going and have a lot of fun. Here you go. And more